If you're sick of promoting other people's stuff and you just want a simple but profitable business of your own, one that will reward you properly for your efforts, then consider this new web app. You give away free ads to your visitors, and some of those people will pay you for various add-ons. Free or paid, every advertiser sends some visitors to activate their ad, generating hands-free traffic to your website. A complete turnkey business with unlimited revenue streams, your AdBoards have been designed to generate immediate cash flow as well as substantial long-term revenue streams. But that's barely scratching the surface of what you can do here. Ask yourself if any of these could work for you. Instant advertising sales. Approx 5% of your advertisers will happily pay for one or more add-ons to make their ads stand out and increase their exposure. So the more ads you give away, the more you make. You set your own prices and keep 100% of all payments. High-value list building on auto. Your advertisers are a genuine contact list of action takers and buyers in a clearly defined niche. And the more specific your AdBoard themes, the more valuable those lists will be. Isn't that better than just collecting random emails, traffic you can send anywhere you want? Your AdBoards are targeted traffic machines, so you can send a stream of visitors to your own offers, PLR products, affiliate offers, or even directly to paying clients' websites. Pro tip: send traffic to opt-in pages and create multiple niche lists. Make at least one local board. Create a generic community AdBoard to start your own list of local businesses, then use that traffic to create AdBoards in more specific niches. Restaurants, attractions, doctors, lawyers, etc. All these businesses will pay you top dollar for fresh local leads. Turbocharge your viral networks. Once your AdBoard is generating its own traffic, create your own ads for any of the viral traffic programs out there. These generate even more visitors and you can earn cash commissions. All on auto. Remember, all your advertisers are here actively seeking more traffic. Get in early on every new program. Use your AdBoard as a lockbox to test any new program. Just create an ad and forget about it. Let it run for a month, then check your stats to decide if it's worth actively promoting. Find all the winners without wasting time on the losers. You'll find even more in your 18th Strategy Monetization Guide. Your AdBoards are designed to generate fast, hands-free sales, but that's just the start. They're also a powerful tool for generating quality traffic that you can send to any offer you like and building your own email lists in any niche you like. Our step-by-step monetization guide will walk you through 18 profitable strategies so you can earn even more from every AdBoard you create. And when you see just how quick and easy it is to create an AdBoard, you definitely won't want to stop at one. Your new AdBoards can be fully installed, customized, and ready to accept payments in a matter of minutes. Step 1. Register an AdBoard account below. Step 2. Create and customize your first AdBoard. Step 3. Activate your perpetual traffic machine. Rinse and repeat. Frequently asked questions. Do I need a website or domain? No, you don't. This is a fully hosted solution, so we take care of all the technical requirements for you. This means you can just create an account and start setting up your AdBoards in the next 10 minutes. Even if you're a total newbie with zero technical skills, but I don't like recurring payments, either do we. But we need to make sure we can cover our costs as your AdBoards get bigger and busier. We're already generating millions of ad views each month, so this protects you. Plus, any surplus each month goes into our ad co-ops promoting your AdBoards, so it helps you as well. What payment processors are supported? PayPal, Coin Payments, Solid Trust Pay, or Uphold. The first three will let you accept payments and activate your customers' new ads automatically. You can also accept payments via Uphold, but you will need to watch for those and manually approve ads after the payment is received. Can I see a demo AdBoard? Sure. Click the showcase link at the top of the page, and you can see some of our most popular AdBoards. Make sure you post a free ad of your own on any that are relevant to your offer. Will this get too competitive? Not in any way that matters. The real power of AdBoards is your ability to target specific niches and locations, or any combination of the two. So yes, a lot of people do make some generic IMMO AdBoards when they first start, but most will tell you their best results are coming from the more specialized, niche AdBoards they make after that. Can I accept payments via Stripe? Unfortunately, no. Stripe is becoming very popular for online business owners, but it isn't suited for an arrangement like this, where we host the website that collects your payments. If their structure changes or we find a third-party app that will let us accept Stripe payments, we will implement it ASAP.